Hey, what's up, everybody? Robert here again with AZ Smart Home. Just a real quick impromptu little unboxing. I ordered a new desk mount, and so I thought I'd just do a little unboxing. So originally, I purchased this Ulanzi floor stand for my GoPro because I really liked the fact that they had this quick release magnetic mount that was real easy to pop on and off. You know, it just popped in there, and then you could just click it, and that was it. And I didn't have to unscrew the mount constantly, so that was pretty nice. So what I realized though is doing some of these product unboxings and whatnot, the stand just wasn't really cutting it for height and maneuverability. So I went on and purchased this, which is going to clamp to the desk, but it has the screw on the top of it. So I went to look in, and sure enough, Ulanzi has a sweet little adapter that has the screw at the bottom, but also has the quick release. So I can put this on the new stand and then just keep the same mount on my GoPro, or when I upgrade my camera, already have the screw there. So I think this is going to work out pretty good. I'm going to mount it real quick and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, well, that took like all of 5 minutes to get assembled, and that's actually really nice. It gives a nice sturdy mount. So I'm currently have the GoPro mounted on top, and another bonus features, it came with a phone bracket for me to be able to use my phone if I need to, in addition to the GoPro, which is real nice. And of course, I still have this attachment, which I don't really need right now because I don't really have anything that's going to be able to screw onto that. But if I get another camera or a different type of device that I need that, obviously that's going to be really convenient. But it's super convenient because, again, I can just do a quick release on that. This right here will adjust up and down. I can move it anywhere on this pole. This pole right here actually comes all the way out. Get this unscrewed a little bit so you can see the telescopes. And that's pretty tall. I don't know that I'll ever need to use it that tall, but it's nice to know that I have that capability. So I can tell you right now that this is going to be a really nice setup, much better than just having that floor stand. So anyways, just want to do a quick unboxing, quick review, and I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.